I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones. You know that I only roll with.
What's up, real ones? It's your girl TupacTaj back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome to the gang. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different, something I've never done before. So bear with me and say a prayer because I really don't know how this is about to go. So Curlsqueen sent me some clip-ins to try out, and I'm going to be doing a middle part, and then I'm going to try a half up, half down hairstyle. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I really honestly don't know how this is about to go. We're gonna just pray for the best because so I'm gonna show you guys what came in my box. I got 3C4A hair type, and I really don't remember the link, but I will put it here. So I just washed my hair. It's still wet. I didn't really put much product in it. The only thing I put in was leave-in conditioner, and then I put a little bit of lotion in there just so it's not super dry. But it's going to be getting braided up anyways. I just wanted to make sure my hair wasn't dry while I'm, braiding it up, because it'll make it hard for me to detangle while I'm braiding. But yeah, before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stay in the loop of what I'm posting. My channel is a natural lifestyle channel, so I post hair videos for the most part, and I'm going to start posting some other stuff soon, so just stay tuned. I'm going to do a little unboxing showing you guys what came in my box, but this is what my clip-ins look like. They're super cute, and they match my hair really well, even the color, everything. Like, I didn't wash them or anything because honestly they don't have a bad smell. A lot of times when I used to get weave, like, they came and they smelled like chemicals and stuff, but these have a really good smell. They just smell clean. So I'm gonna be trying a middle part today, and then I'm gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle. I don't like trying new stuff, honestly, because it never turns out right for me. So we're gonna say a prayer that this does what it needs to do. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is the box that my clip-ins came in. It says Curlsqueen. It came with a detangling brush. The back of it says CQ for Curlsqueen. It also came with some extra clips in case you break one. Then it came with this reversible bonnet, which I thought was cute as well because I definitely needed a new bonnet. So the actual clip-ins themselves came in this bag. The bag says to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. I love what Curlsqueen stands for because they signify women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair. And that honestly aligns perfectly with what I want to spread throughout my channel. The clip-ins themselves came wrapped nice and neat in a hairnet. I was really shocked by how soft and fluffy the hair was, especially being that it's curly hair. It was super fluffy and really easy to manage. So here I'm just making sure that my middle part is straight, and then I'm making like a U part so that I can hide the back of my hair under my clip-ins and then have some leave out to cover the tracks up top. So I didn't realize until later that I left way too much hair out. Your U-part doesn't have to be this big. The more hair that you leave out, the harder it'll be to blend it. So you definitely want to leave enough hair to hide your tracks, but not too much to where it'll be hard to blend. I was going to braid the back of my hair to my scalp, but honestly, I'm not the best braider, and I wasn't about to have the hair police coming at me in the comments. So I decided to go the easier route and just do 2 twists. But if you are going to leave your clip-ins in like for a while, I would definitely recommend that you do braids. So here I'm just taking some bobby pins and securing the twist up at the top. I didn't put any in the back because I didn't feel a need to, but I definitely put multiple bobby pins up at the top where the end of my twist are so that it's nice and flat and it doesn't show my real hair. This is the fun part. I'm about to start putting my clip-ins in. To open the clips, you just push them out, and then whenever you put them on your hair, you just push them back in to snap it to your hair. Make sure that you feel the click when you do this so that you know that they're on there real good and secure. Obviously, you want to start from the back of your hair and work your way up until you get to the U-part leave out section. The more hair you have, the smaller you want your spacing to be between each track so that you can fit all your hair on your head. but I think I'm gonna add some mousse to the ends of it because I don't like how it's looking dry over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using my Maya Organics curl defining mousse. You can get this from Walmart or you can get it from their website. Me personally, I usually order stuff from their website just because you usually get deals and stuff. And baby, I be catching the sales because who's gonna pay $12 for some mousse? Not me. This might have been easier if I did this like before I put it in my hair, but you know, we're here now. It is what it is. This is really long now that I put mousse on it. Like, really long. And I'm not mad at it. It's definitely really cute. I just wish I could get my hair to blend with it a little better, but we working. I'm gonna put some mousse on here and add it in here to make it a little bit longer. I know this is a lot, but like you really just gotta work with it and figure out how to make it blend the best you can. Bust down, Tatiana. Actually, don't bust down because we don't support Blueface over here. Okay, y'all, this is the final result for my middle part style. I ended up blow drying my hair and stretching my real hair to match it better with the clip-ins. I didn't show it in this video, but if you want to know how to do this, you should definitely check out my stretch method playlist. I have multiple different ways to stretch your hair, but the method that I used specifically today was the blow drying stretch method. Okay, y'all, I'm doing this half a pad down hairstyle now, and I took just the clips out of the front part of my hair. So, you know, where I had this circle, I kept that, and I just took the clips out. So now I'm just gonna leave a little bit out to cover the bottom, well, the front, actually. And actually, I think I wanna leave some out in the front. Yeah. So I just left a little bit out to cover my tracks. And it really, this is gonna be like a messy half up, half down, so it really don't gotta be perfect. I'm just gonna take a little section and put this in a ponytail and then put it in a little ball. My parts are not perfect, y'all. Please do not judge. Take your little clip in. Clip it. And then wrap it around. I think I could have put the ball a little bit more in the center, but it's all good, you know? Can't worry about it. And then I'm just gonna take a bobby pin to secure it. Like that. All right. This is what we have. My little half up, half down hairstyle. Let me show y'all the back. It gives like a lion exotic look, and honestly, I'm not mad at it. I really do want to figure out a way to better blend my hair with the clip-ins. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in my comment section and let me know, because I'm definitely going to try this out again with some other hairstyles. But I think for my first time, I did okay. Not too shabby. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you did enjoy this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a blue heart in my comment section. And also, if you guys have any video suggestions of things you want to see on my channel, leave them in my comment section as well. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.